So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. So next, SP LaserJet Enterprise MFP M631 series. So click this. Then if this is automatically detect Windows 10, so click to change. Windows 11, if you are other using, no worry about it, installation process same. Then click to update. So driver will be updated automatically. Scroll down. So lot of options there. This is update, installation, software, driver, include printer, scanner, latest feature solutions. This is firmware. Okay, so download, just run. This is no critical. This is scanner. If you have to scan by networkly, so you can install, and shortcut will be come to your desktop and just double click to scan your documentary. Okay, and this is the printer, driver. Okay, and this is fax. So right now it is not using. So you can see this is printer, driver, the HP LaserJet solutions. So you can see, and I recommend you guys install this one. Just click to download. I show you. Okay, just click to download like that. Wait few seconds, it will complete within 1 minute. Then single click to setup. Now this is extract to data. then click to yes, continue. I have received the accept and installation agreement and setting. No thanks. This is application analytics, so if you want to like analytic of your applications data, so you can yes, otherwise you just. Now this is installing the driver to your system. So guys, there are two type of connect. If your printer is connected to LAN, okay, so select this. Which cable? One cable connect to your printer to your router and switches. Otherwise, if you want to connect the USB, okay. So USB to your desktop and laptop. So select this. And fourth one, connect later. Just install driver. So next, and then click to finished. Okay. Then